All right, welcome Forexia fam. Today's video is a quick AMC analysis on the signature trade. There is a beautiful signature trade playing out right now on the AMC stock. If you have not already seen the previous videos on AMC and why we're looking at stocks when this is Forexia, just go and do yourself a favor and check out some of those previous videos. AMC is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I am not trying to miss it, and I'm not trying to have you guys miss it either. So for anybody that knows what happens right after the signature trade is a massive, massive reversal every single time. That's what the signature trade is about. The signature trade is a reversal pattern, and it's so easy to see and to use and to elaborate on your charts. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. The MOAS is near, you guys. The MOAS is getting closer and closer by the day. I personally do not believe that AMC is going to reach any lower than these lows that we see right now. If it does, I'm going to buy every single penny of it. But what I'm seeing right now is a reversal pattern, signature trade pattern, and a trade of a lifetime. So watch until the end, you guys. This is going to be one of the best analysis videos you watch, and it's not going to take very long. I'm going to start right now, and we're just going to hit it out of the ballpark, you guys. So first of all, what I want to do is see the overall kind of trend that we're working with. What I like to do is just plot the trend lines. Come on, let me grab this thing. All right, that's not working. All right, so let's bring this up. Looking nice and parallel with its brother right here. There we go. And what I'm also going to do is put a liquidity zone right around where the spikes to the lows are, right here. So I'm going to draw this right up like this. And here we can kind of see it matches with what price has done previously, where we can see price attacks this zone, then rejects it, attacks it once again, rejects it, attacks it, rejects it, breaks through it. And then we're right back to that zone right now. And we're working off that zone. So that zone is right around the psychological 14 area. So right around 14, between $13 and $14, but we see it just kind of bouncing off that 14.00 psychological area. Right around here, $13.99, close enough. Now, I'm just going to go into the 4-hour chart, see it a little bit zoomed out for you guys. And what I'm going to do is draw out the signature trade. So right now, what I see in front of me is a beautiful signature trade. Anyone that doesn't know what the signature trade is, go ahead and watch our previous videos on the signature trade. The signature trade is the #1 market manipulation pattern in the financial markets. It doesn't matter if it's stocks, Forex, crypto, it happens in every single market in existence. And the theory behind it is nothing more than manipulation, okay? I'm not going to explain it right now because I promise this is going to be a quick analysis, so just bear with me. As you know, as those that already know about the signature trade, we know that the breakout of the signature trade, this right here, this breakout of the wedge pattern is very volatile. And that's what we can see right here. They just scooped up as many orders as possible and just got right out of that zone. drag price right out of that zone. So it's not like, it wasn't like this where we just see price trickling down, kind of consolidating, working, doing its thing off the low in this area. No, that didn't happen. It just went boom and then reversed right back up. Ding dang. Why is that? Because they got to get out of there as fast as possible. The more volatility, the more implied volatility, the more emotional the traders are going to get. So here we can see the signature trade playing out right here. And this looks like a pretty obvious trend line, at least to me, or a pretty obvious trend. I mean, I wouldn't think that the trend is just going to keep dipping and dipping, especially after this signature trade that just played out right here. Right after the signature trade, what we normally see is after this spike, we see a little bit of consolidation. Nowhere near this red zone here, nowhere near the trap zone. However, we do see a little bit of consolidation right before that big move to be made, right? At least that's what I'm going to predict. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research before investing. And yeah, that's all I got to say about that. What I also wanted to give you guys today is a different outlook. Okay, here we can see the signature trade occurring. This was an okay example of the signature trade happening right here. In the middle of this downtrend, we can see that pretty obvious volatile spike down to the low. They make like a nice little W and then slowly work themselves back up. Now, if we take this, okay, there's a tool in TradingView that we can actually grab. I think it's this one. So we can actually grab the previous price action. So I'm just going to grab this previous price action all the way to right here. So that's what happened previously, okay? That's what happened previously on AMC. Now we're looking at AMC once more. However, what I'm going to do for a second is I'm going to delete this and I'm going to kind of just go, oh, what the heck? Okay, I'm going to go like I'm going to go like this. Nope. There we go. Something like that. There we go. Okay. This is what I see on AMC. Well, this was a lot easier when I wasn't recording. Okay, there we go. So we can see it's almost the exact same pattern. And let me see. So it's basically the exact same pattern. And that's what I was trying to explain previously, that we could see some consolidation here right before we see that major move to the upside. There's also a lot of things happening in the news right now surrounding the events that happened last year during this time, or during the AMC mayhem and all that GME stuff. There's a lot of talk about regulating the dark pools, or banning dark pool trading, or doing something about it. And if that is done, I personally think that the MOAS has to happen, because price is where it's at right now because of these dark pools, because the institutions and hedge funds are routing their massive buy orders instead of routing them through the lit market, the market that we see here, the market that's right in front of us. They route their orders through the dark market, the dark pools, the dark exchange where nobody can see them, well, at least not the public, and they bypass this chart. They bypass the lit market. So I don't know how that's even legal, but you know, this is the most corrupt fucking government. Everything is corrupt nowadays. So what we have to do together is band together as one force. There's millions of retail traders on this single, on these two stocks alone, meme stocks, right? They call them meme stocks. AMC is worth $13.99. It's not like it's a penny stock. I could see people calling AMC a meme stock if it was a penny stock or something like that. But the word meme stock is to get investors away from it, because the more retail investors that are buying into this stock, the worse it is for these hedge funds that are shorting this stock. So that's why the mainstream media makes fools of us, fools of everyone buying into this stock, and calls it a meme stock. Yet AMC is one of the world's largest theater companies, with over 1,000 theater companies worldwide. So I'd say it's a lot more than just a fucking meme. So yeah, I hope you guys took at least some information. We're educated a bit from this. I do believe that this is the floor. I think right around $13, $14 is the floor. You should be buying right anywhere in this area. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you whether to buy or to sell, but I am buying. I've been buying ever since it was at like $20. It dipped all the way down here. I started buying it up all the way down here, and now it dipped once more. We see the final leg of the signature trade playing out right now, and it looks like it looks like the MOAS is incoming, you guys. The MOAS is closer than ever. The signature trade, seeing the signature trade on AMC just tickles my heart, and hope it tickles yours as well, you guys. Well, I think that's all for today. If you guys want to learn more about market manipulation, want to understand the signature trade, go ahead and check out forexia.net. We have a bunch of free courses, and we have the signature trade course on there for you guys to educate yourself with and invest in the education that can potentially set you free for a lifetime. So thank you all for joining me. Thank you all for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the thumbs up. Give it a like. Whatever you got to do. Comment. Much love. Take care, everybody. Peace out.